Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix Telegram not opening on PC. So the first step you simply need to do is to close the Telegram if it is open. Then you simply need to check that your internet connection is on. Once you are confirmed that your internet connection is on, you simply need to search for Microsoft Store. Go here and search for the Telegram app. Okay, and check that if there is any update available. If there is an update, you need to update your Telegram, and once you complete that, you need to go back and search for Telegram, and you need to run as administrator. Click on OK, and now you can see that it is working fine. So this is a process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.